All right, this is going to be a short video, but first of all, disclaimer, I'm 61 years old, so I don't have the most beautiful legs in the world, okay? So we'll get that out of the way. All right, so as you can see, I can actually get my calf inside of here. I've got it where it's all fitting really good. The sock is right here. The sock is going to Velcro on the inside, the way I'm going to do this. So I'll make this so this can slip out. Your foot can fit in here with no problem whatsoever. Right here will be the kneecap. Kneecap will sit up on top here. I'm going to magnetically lock the kneecap down in here, I think, with some really strong magnets. That way I can move it. The kneecap itself will flex. This won't flex. There's no reason for it. So as long as I can flex the kneecap, I won't have any issues. And then my thigh area here, I'm still working on. But as you guys can see, it does fit, and it's very comfortable. I'm working on the feet also at the same time. Let me pull my foot out of here. Hold on a minute. There we go. As you can see, all the way straight down. So this is actually going to come off, like I said, in just one big circular area. Here's the sock right here. And then this will be Velcroed on. And the feet themselves right now, they're kind of being formed and shaped on the bottom. This is going to be covered in absolute resin, be a nice solid piece. Going to have some tread put on here. I found some tread on Amazon. Same thing on the inside of it. This will all be pretty nice and smooth resin on the inside of here to give it some strength. And then I'm also going to do some tread on top of there. But as you can see here, here's the sock. So this have Velcro around like that. And you can actually see the shape of how it's going to meet, just like that. And then it's just going to sit there and snap into place with the Velcro. And being that you're not lifting this that much, the Velcro will hold. And I'm probably going to get earthquake Velcro, the really white or black stuff that's really, really tough that can hold like picture frames and so forth. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but if I do, forgive me. I've been doing a lot of videos for a lot of different people, and I just got a chance to get back working on the legs. And there's the legs I'm working on still. And so far, everything's fitting right. I don't think there's going to be a problem making Robbie walk. Anyway, end of video, and happy printing, and everybody have yourself a wonderful day.